Hi, I'm John Mukai, one of the founders of Radflowspace 2016. We have a very busy practice and we wanted to see if we can improve things a bit. We wanted a radiologist-driven redesign of the extreme workplace. And indeed, 2 seconds is too long, 2 steps is too many, that's how stressed it is. So we documented the entire redesign of our department on YouTube. When you're at your limit, there's just too many things circling around and no toilet and you're burning out. Control all those items with a headset and double or triple your monitor real estate. See the article about us in Radiology Today, October 2016. The article discusses multiple physical and cognitive interruptions in the workday. Elliot Siegel continues to define the workstation of the future. Here's the Multiplex 8, first of its kind in Portland, Oregon. Dr. Bader at the telephone headset dual computer system. Paul Mukai is the engineering component of the team. We will all be at the booth to say hello. This graphic is symbolic of the multiple interruptions and cognitive disconnect. Repetitive stress injury is an epidemic. I've had surgery in 2 places on my back. The way to control and integrate the interruptions is to wear a headset, plain and simple. With the headset, your hands free and you can talk to 3 things and listen to 3 or 4 things. Now one can truly take advantage of the wide visual horizon and the lack of noise. The article said we've made things better and Elliot's going to prove it scientifically with data. And indeed, it's really true. 2 seconds is too long, 2 steps are too many. That's how fast things move. Nice demonstration of a range of heights. That's why you need a motorized system like we will show you. This $300 Navy headset gives you complete peace and quiet, no noise. David is passionate about quality and communication and will demonstrate the effectiveness of this hybrid system. So sit, stand, get more monitors, and wear a headset. You have to touch and feel this to understand it. Don't watch the video, come talk to us at the booth. Our entire practice is documented on the YouTube channel Radflowspace or go to radflowspace.com.